Hi, welcome back to Real Talk with Sarasota's luxury waterfront specialist, Roger Pettingell. Hey, Roger.
Good morning, bright and sunny.
It's beautiful out today, isn't it?
This is when you talk about a southern exposure on a terrace, this is what people are looking for, because in the wintertime it's a little cooler.
Right.
So the sun warms everything up, which is nice.
And today we're going to sort of focus on one of our favorite topics, which is before and after.
We do like befores and afters. I don't know, I've always liked the Cinderella theme.
Right.
It's that same kind of thing. We're here at a property at Beachplace.
Yep.
This is a 2-bedroom. So there are these different levels for sure of redone. You know, this is a 60% redone.
Right.
So part of the benefit is the windows were already done. So that's a big piece of the puzzle.
Right.
And the kitchen was opened up already.
Big piece of the puzzle. Yeah.
So coming in, one of the things that was really important in the renovation was to redo the flooring. That makes a really big look in new to older.
Right.
And this residence was redone with like 36-inch porcelain tile, and it goes all the way throughout onto the terrace.
It's beautiful.
Which also makes a big difference for your eye to be able to visually come all the way out.
Right. And I have to say the design theme throughout is just beautiful.
Yeah, Adrienne Griffin is a designer that we absolutely love to work with. She's very good at renovations as well as new construction, and she's just got this eye, and it's always fresh. I love what she did with the television and the mirrors on either side,
Yeah.
and the shell going up the wall. You know,
Yeah.
I think these the Samsung new televisions where you can have the picture on them and make it look like a picture frame are great.
Yeah, super
And
sharp.
Just super fresh. Yeah, I feel like that's the word of the day here is fresh.
And there's so much renovation going on the island. You know, most of the communities out here were done in the mid-'80s to the mid-'90s. So lots of activities, but just also some things that new owners need to be mindful of if they're thinking about renovating.
Well, I know in this renovation, you know, redoing the appliances was a big no because they were going to be 3 to 4 month lead time. I think that definitely has gotten a little bit better now, but those are some things that you have to think about. Some of the furniture also has become very difficult to get. So a lot of this furniture was actually just purchased straight online and not through any of the stores. And also you have to be mindful of a lot of communities at the end of November don't let you do renovations.
Right.
So, you know, hurry or start making your plans for next May.
Yeah. So we're coming into fall, which is a busy listing time for us. If you're thinking about selling or buying, we would love to hear from you. 941-387-1840 or visit us at pettingell.com. Thanks so much for joining us on Real Talk.